So, hi guys, this is chapter 7 and we will tackle about Python function scopes and dictionary. So, in lesson 1, the objectives of this chapter is to determine the defining and using of functions, their rationale, purpose, convention, and traps. So, and apply new data aggregates, tuples, and dictionaries, and their role in data processing. So, function and scope. The scope of a name is the part of a code where the name is properly recognizable. So, for example, the scope of a function parameter is the function itself. The parameter is inaccessible outside the function. So, let's check it. Look at the code in the editor and what will happen when you run it. So, type def scope test, open and close parentheses, x equals to 1, 2, 3. And type scope test, print x. So, the program will fail when run. So, the error message will read, name error, name x is not defined. So, this is to be expected. So, we're going to conduct some experiments with you to show you how Python constructs scopes and how you can use habits to your benefit. So, let's start by checking whether or not a variable created outside any function is visible inside the function. So, look at the code in the editor. Type def, my function. So, and print, do I know that variable? And var equals to 1. And type my function and print var. So, the result of the test is positive. So, the code outputs, do I know that variable? 1 and the outside is 1. So the answer is a variable existing outside a function has a scope inside the function's body. So let's make a small change to the code. So add var equals to 2 and run it. So do I know that variable 2 and the outside world is 1? So function and scopes the global keyword. So add global name, add global var, at the top of var equals to 2 and run it. So the code now outputs is, do I know that variable 2? So def my function global var and var equals to 2. So the code output is, do I know that variable? So that's it, and thank you.